Guys, a couple months ago, Traxxas released the XMaxx Bigfoot, the X Monster, and well, not necessarily a game changer. They just enough tuning on this thing to make it just amazing as a monster truck. Not a basher, it does monster truck things. They jump, they backflip. Okay, so it does XMaxx things. But this is the Bigfoot version, and for whatever reason, Traxxas decided to do an anniversary edition, a commemorative edition. One of 1975 is when Bigfoot was introduced. And you guys know that I'm not a big box art guy, but check this out. She got a little bit of back graphics of Bob Chandler, the 50th anniversary. Who are these guys? Oh yeah, the greatest Traxxas dealer in Palm Beach County, Havoc Speed. You gotta check them out. This is where I got this thing from. 75 to 25, 50th anniversary. I mean, this thing, Aerostar, please crush that Aerostar. But dude, she is sweet. And another thing I kind of noticed, which was weird, not weird, because I don't have the other box to compare it. Instead of the XMaxx X Monster, they're now calling it the XMaxx MT. Let me set you up on a tripod, guys. We're gonna get this thing out the box. So I have no reasonable assumption which end of this box is which, but what we do know is allegedly number 78 is inside this box. Now, the funny part about that is I watched Mark Santamaria, his buddy, open one the other day, and, well, it wasn't the number that was on the shipping crate. It was one number off. So we're expecting number 78, because that's what my shipping box actually said. All right, so there is our bumper. Get this piece. Oh, just devalued it by breaking some of that shipping. Killed some of the cardboard. Whew. And wheels are gold, buddies. Gold. And here comes the rain again, because my earlier video I did a T-Max and I couldn't run it because it was pouring. Guys, let's get done wrapping some stuff. So in the end cap, obviously, is your controller, but you also get this kick-ass commemorative plaque. And by design, the box is marked number 78, but there's no way of knowing what number you got until you open it. Yeah, this is 1377 and 1975. I would have liked to have a lower number, but I'm not mad, because these things are not easy to get. You have to have a relationship with your hobby shop to be able to get your hands on one of those, because they all got their favorites. All right, guys, let's go ahead and lid this thing and see what we got. We're going to get to the body in a minute, because I want to check this out, guys. Yeah, it's going to be a little tough to see in there. But 1377 of 1975. Gold shocks, gold hubs, gold heat sink. She's got a lot of gold on her, guys. Let me get this body unwrapped. Let's take a look at this thing. It looks like it is actually double wrapped. It's bagged and then it's cellophane. Dudes, look at that thing. Oh, it's got another plaque on the bed. 1377 of 1975. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish peeling this thing. I'm going to go ahead and get these beautiful wheels put on this thing. We're going to take another look at it. So guys, check this thing out. There's Bob Chandler's. God, this thing is beautiful. Got the plaque on it on the back, all gold. 50 the anniversary, 50 cent, probably not. Bob and Marilyn Chandler's. This thing is amazing. So you guys, it might be one of my plans are for this thing. And my plans are simple. I'm not going to use it. It's out in the box. It's going to go on display in my man cave. This thing is an absolute collectible. These things are selling on eBay right now between $2,200 and $2,800. But guys, I'm gonna sit here and stare at this thing. I'm gonna watch my favorite YouTuber. Man, look at them dirty hands, clean money. You gotta love that guy. Well, listen, guys, I will see you on the next one.